Did you know that the first military drone was used in World War I? Yes, that far back. It was known as the Kettering Bug, an unmanned aerial torpedo that laid the groundwork for the drone technology we see today. Over the last century, drone technology has taken off, quite literally in leaps and bounds. After World War II, drones were primarily used for practice targets. By the Vietnam War, they were conducting surveillance missions. Fast forward to the 21st century. These flying marvels are not just limited to the battlefield. They found their way into agriculture, helping farmers monitor crops and distribute pesticides. Retail giants are exploring drone delivery, envisioning a future where your packages arrive via the sky. From being a rudimentary pilotless aircraft to becoming an indispensable tool in numerous sectors, drones have undergone a massive transformation. From war machines to package delivery, drones have come a long way. But what's next? To appreciate how far we've come, let's take a look at the old and new drone technologies. Now, if we journey back in time, we'll find that the drones of yesteryears were quite basic. They were essentially remote-controlled helicopters with limited battery life and a narrow range. The speed, too, was nothing to write home about. And let's not forget the camera quality, grainy footage, and shaky images were the order of the day. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing a whole new ballgame. First off, the battery life. Modern drones can stay aloft for much longer, thanks to the breakthroughs in battery technology. This means you can fly your drone for extended periods without worrying about a quick power drain. Next up, the range. The drones of today can travel significant distances, far beyond the line of sight. This has opened up a world of opportunities, from aerial photography to package delivery. And then there's speed. Today's drones are speed demons compared to their predecessors. Whether it's racing through a forest or following a fast-moving car, the new generation drones are up to the task. But perhaps the most significant improvement has been in the area of camera quality. Modern drones are equipped with high-definition cameras that can capture stunning aerial footage. The shaky, grainy footage of old is a thing of the past. The real game-changer, however, is the introduction of artificial intelligence in drones. This has enabled them to navigate complex environments and make decisions independently. They can avoid obstacles, follow targets, and even return home automatically. This level of autonomy was unheard of in the drones of the past. So as we face off the old with the new, it's clear that we've come a long way in drone technology. The drones of today are not just flying cameras. They're smart, autonomous machines that can perform a wide range of tasks. With the advent of AI and other technological advancements, today's drones are more sophisticated and capable than ever before. While we marvel at the progress, you might wonder what's next for drone technology. Well, the future is brighter than ever, with potential developments that could revolutionize various sectors. Imagine a world where your packages are delivered by drones. It's not just about speed or convenience. This could significantly reduce road traffic and carbon emissions. But it also presents challenges like air traffic control and privacy concerns. Now picture passenger drones. The idea of flying taxis is not as far-fetched as it once seemed. It could transform urban mobility, but safety and noise pollution remain significant hurdles. Lastly, think about drones for environmental monitoring. These silent observers could track wildlife, monitor air quality, or even predict natural disasters. The possibilities are endless, but so are the ethical implications. In the face of these exciting prospects and challenges, one thing is certain: we're on the brink of a new era. The sky's the limit when it comes to the future of drone technology. Now that you've learned about the evolution and future of drone technology, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drones are rapidly reshaping multiple industries with their precision, versatility, and efficiency. They're doing everything from delivering packages to helping to monitor environmental conditions and even potentially transforming the way we commute. But what do you think? Are you excited by these advancements? Does the prospect of drones buzzing around our cities excite you? Or does it fill you with trepidation? How do you envision the future of drones? Are we on the brink of a drone revolution? Or are these flying machines just another passing tech fad? And let's get a little imaginative. If you could design your own drone, what would it do? Would it be a personal assistant, a delivery bot, or perhaps something completely out of the box? So leave your thoughts in the comments section. We're excited to hear what you think about the future of drone tech. Well, that's all we have for today. If you like this content, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps with continuing to bring emerging technology discussions. Let me know in the comments below what other topics you would like me to explore. You never know, you might see something that will make you say, "I want that."